Hey everybody, Thrift Store Hacker back again. And with the California wildfires, it's getting pretty smoky here in Reno. And to figure out the air quality, I picked up one of these PM2.5 air quality monitors. This was the cheapest one that I can find on Amazon that didn't look super sketchy. Get that peel there. Ah, yeah, the peel of plastic off new products. Anyway, so got this monitor here. It's supposed to measure PM2.5. It's rechargeable. It's supposed to last like 32 hours, just running on battery. And we're going to test it out in various spots, kind of around town. Today we're going to just test it in the basement here and up in the house where we have the air filters going. So you can see here is PM2.5 detector meter, and you can, go through all this and pause to read it, and that's the specs. So it actually feels kind of like a solid product for what I paid for it. I got the 50-cent piece and the quarter down there for scale. It's got some weight to it. It's probably got a pretty good sized battery in it. But let's kick it on and get it calibrating and see how it goes. According to the instructions, the calibration should take about 5 or 10 minutes. So looking over the device, you can see it's about calibrated. You have the charge gauge there, the indicator light that it is charging, and then you have the LEDs on the bottom, which are just basically tells you where in the range the air quality is. And since it's over 280, it's just really bad here right now. So I'm running this in the basement of my 100-year-old house. I do have a window cracked. We're probably getting the full effect of outside right now. But what if we take this and we bring it in the house where I have some HEPA filters going and a little circulation. I also have a good portion of the house closed off for better air quality. We blocked off our access to the kitchen and the laundry room with a curtain panel, just to kind of keep the air back there because it isn't too well insulated. And in the part of the house that we use the most, we have two of these top-end air purifier HEPA filter things running. And it seems to be a pretty good unit. They're about $50 online. I'll do a separate review on this, and we're going to test it out with the air quality monitor. As you can see, we just collect a lot of dust here, too. This is probably about 2 or 3 days worth of dust here. So in the basement here, this is fairly well calibrated out, so let's take it upstairs and see if we've improved the air quality in the house. So I got this set up in the bedroom here, and it's about equal distance between my HEPA filters. As you can see, it's at 97, which is just a few ticks below the unhealthy for sensitive groups range. But I think what I've been doing in here with keeping the windows closed and closing off the back of the house and running the HEPA filters has definitely helped out. So let's take a quick reading outside and see where that's at. It looks like we're still around 250, 240 outside, so it is definitely helping out keeping everything closed. That little $25 meter from Amazon seems to be working. I'll give you follow-up videos on it, of course. And I think in the next video, we're going to go out and hit the town here and go into the casinos and answer the question, with the fires, are the casinos' air quality better than outside? Should be an interesting video. Till next time, build stuff and have fun.